Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get Stockx discount codes. So in the Google search bar, just start searching for Stockx discount codes. And from here, you should be able to see links to websites that gives or shares discount codes that you can use on Stockx. Say for example, we have in couponfollow.com, we have this rankandstyle.com, Reddit, and even on stockx.com. If we visit that stockx.com link, with this link, pick your promo this weekend. If you scroll down, you can see here various codes that you can use. Say, for example, this code wherein you can enjoy a $10 off at any StockX purchase of $150 or more. There's also another code here that you can use. Same with the Coupon Follow website. You can get coupon codes that you can use on StockX by clicking on Show Coupon Code. There's also this Rank and Style website where you can see discount codes that you can use on StockX. Say this for example, we're just going to view this code. And as you can see here, there's a 10% coupon code that you can get. All you have to do is copy this code and use this on StockX. There are also users on Reddit that shares discount code that you can use. Say this user for example, you can use this code and a lot more codes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!